Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we're going to start things off talking about the Chicken King, Jamaica Broilers Group Limited, best dressed chicken in town. Trading in their shares here. Advisory that a director purchased just over 563,000 shares on July 12, 2022. Talk about skin in the game or confidence. That's what you want to see when you're looking at across the board, whether it's the JSE or overseas markets. Now, Key Insurance Company Limited, resignation of their director here. Key Insurance, with an advisory to the market that Mrs. Maria McIntosh Robinson has stepped down or resigned from the board of directors of Key Insurance effective mid-July, July 15th of this year. tTech Limited, on the other hand here, appointment of a senior manager. tTech Limited advises the market that Mr. Damani Brown was appointed as a technical services manager of the company effective July 13th. Access Financial, leading microfinance company in the market, that's Access Financial Services Limited, resignation of a director here. Access advises the market that Mr. James Morrison, who's been with the company about 4 years here in that capacity of a director, resigned from the board effective end of June 30th. Access knows Mr. Morrison was actually chairman of the Audit and Risk Management Committee as well as the Corporate Governance Committee, two big committees of Access Financial and important to the stock exchange. Last up, overseas markets, worsening recession fears in the US and globally. JP Morgan Chase here coming out with second quarter results. Profit falling by 28%, a big drop off. We're going to get into the reasons why. JP Morgan Chase earnings were actually US $2.76 per share versus an estimate of US $2.88 per share. So not just down year over year, but worse than their estimates. Revenue was $31.63 billion US dollars versus estimate of just under 32 billion US, and profit declined also to 8.65 billion US dollars due to the bank billing reserves for bad loans. Now, the CEO goes into also that, look, investment banking just not as hot, not doing well. So investment banking fees lower. IPO fees kind of slumping, and just overall banking fees lower, capital markets fees, etc. So potentially rough times ahead, slower market conditions, and US recession fears could lead to even a worse second half. We'll see what happens there. But inflation, 9.1% for June, and with many analysts coming out and stating July 27th, US Federal Reserve meeting, expectations of another 100 basis point or 1% hike. We'll see what happens in the markets. I'm Mark Croskery. Have a great evening. This is Business Live.